Well, welcome back to my channel, everybody. We're just out here at the cabin, if you can't see from the background. We're going to head up to the farm and do a little work. We're going to make a separate video of that. We got some work to do in the barn. It's kind of, if you can see back there, it's kind of snowing and blowing and kind of meh. So, we got some stuff we can do inside. I was going to get the skidder out today, but I'll wait until it's nicer. I got the flexibility to do that. We're out here at the cabin. We're going to make a short video for you. Most of you guys probably put your leaf blower away in the fall when you're done with it. You're like, nah, I don't need that in the wintertime. Let me show you something. So I got here, it's a 20 volt DeWalt cordless. You guys probably think, God, this guy's got a lot of DeWalt cordless stuff. Yes, I do. And I'll go over it all with you in a separate video. I have a lot of it, but let me show you what you can do with your leaf blower. It doesn't matter if it's cordless, if it's gas, whatever. Wintertime, we get a nice when we get a nice little light snow like this, just fire up that leaf blower. You don't have to get out there with a broom and chase it around. Look at this. We just take that. Easy as can be. You ain't chasing that stuff around with a broom, any of that stuff. Just blow it out there. Works good with the leaf blower. Just a quick tip for you. Something to keep in mind on your vehicles, makes it a lot nicer. Especially getting that snow out of that windshield wiper cowl, off from the windshield wipers. Things like that. Leaf blower works great. As always, appreciate you guys watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and we'll see you guys again next time.